I just picked up this WRX for pretty good price in my mind. I'm going to be doing a WRX swap over to the two-door Subaru GC8 body style. Um, haven't really done it before, but it's definitely going to be something cool to try out. Should be a pretty fun project to keep me busy for a while. This thing's been sitting around for 3 years because I had motor problems. So what I'm going to do is take this thing out and probably try and find a STI short block here. Everything actually looks pretty decent, but I know that the motor does need some work, which I'm prepared to try out here and tackle. Everything else I'll probably just try and strip and see whatever else I can swap over to the GC8, like the transmission and the engine and drive lines. Then everything else I'll probably just try and part out and sell. So let me know if you guys had any tips for me. It's going to be a pretty big project I got going on here. Thanks for watching, guys.